Hi, it's Nkechi from the vent. Today I'll be showing you how to join your hot wire to avoid a hump, a bump, or swelling, whatever you want to call it. When you join your hot wire, you want it to be uniform all the way so that by the time you finish wrapping it, it's not obvious where you joined it. Before we dive in, the Ventcraft Academy has a promo offer for you and it's expiring on the 20th of April 2021. You want to rush in and grab it while it lasts. Get for two the price of one in our Fascinator Class 1 and Miss Class 1. So instead of paying for the training of the two of them for 3,500, you get to pay just 2,000 naira. We have the equivalent in other currencies, so don't worry. All you need to do is go to the description of this video and you will join the reception for more details. Thank you. I would like to use this opportunity to thank all my dearest subscribers for your viewage, for your comments and your likes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and you won't regret it. You would get great tips like I'm about to give you today and also know how to make lovely unique designs to stand you out. So why waste time? Pause this video right now and click the subscription button below and also the bell to be notified of all my new trainings. Thank you. So now let's dive into today's training. I noticed some people's hot wire fascinators have bumps on them, like a swelling. It's not smooth all the way around. I had the same issues, that's the truth. I tried sellotape, masking tape before I discovered this solution. So I want to show you in today's training. All you need is thread, your hot wire and thread. That's all you need. But you must make sure please watch to the end of this video so that you would get to know how you have to do it. But I will tell you in words right now before you get to the end. One, the thread must not overlap each other. You're putting the thread next to the next thread. You must also make sure that you wrap the tips where the two edges of the wire are. You should wrap it. Once you do this, it's going to come out smooth. You won't see, nobody will be able to tell where you joined your hot wire. So keep watching to the end and learning. Thank you. And that's it, and you get a smooth hat fascinator looking just like this. Thank you so much for watching.